When the MIL turns on, carry out a troubleshooting using the Honda PGM tester. For the PGM tester, use a troubleshooting program card that corresponds to the vehicle to be checked. Install the program card to the slot in the PGM tester. Destination setting. Before connecting to a vehicle, it may be necessary to check destination setting of the PGM tester. Press On key to turn the PGM tester on. Press Enter key and wait for vehicle check to be proceeded. In the next screen, the vehicle type is asked. It is not electric vehicle in this case, so press No key to proceed. Next, press Yes key to select the standalone mode. From the menu of System Select, select PGM FI and press Enter key. Select the Setup mode. In the case that the numbers appear at the left of the items, you can select the item by pressing the number key. In the Setup menu, select Tester Setup. In the Tester Setup menu, select Destination and choose an appropriate region. In this case, select General. Press Exit key several times as necessary to return to the initial screen. Turn the PGM tester off once to connect to the vehicle by pressing On key and Enter key together to turn the tester off. Finding DLC location. With the PGM tester, you can also find the location of the data link connector in the vehicle. Turn the PGM tester on. Search with the Help function. To call the Help function, press the asterisk mark key and Help key together. Next, select DLC location. Type in the model year in the Model Entry screen. Choose a model in the Vehicle Select screen. By doing this, the illustration of Data Link Connector location will be displayed. When you actually connect the tester, press Exit key several times to return to the initial display, and turn off the PGM tester by pressing Exit key and On key together. Vehicle Data Input. Check that the ignition switch is turned off. Connect the PGM tester connector to the data link connector of the vehicle. Press On key of the PGM tester. Turn the ignition switch on. Press Enter key and wait for a while. In the next display, in the Program menu, select Honda Systems. Input the data of the vehicle. If the tester could identify the model of the vehicle, engine, and transmission, this data would be displayed in the input window as shown. Check the indicated data on the vehicle check screen, and if it's correct, press Yes key. Next, fully fill the vehicle data. Type in the vehicle identification number and press Enter key. Mileage. Type in the reading of the odometer and press Enter key. Then, select PGM FI in the System Select menu and press Enter key. Wait for seconds while the ECM/PCM checks the condition of the system. The next display differs according to the situation that the tester has a corresponding troubleshooting program for the vehicle or not. If the diagnostic trouble code DTC is detected, the letters of DTC will flash. And this example shows the situation that the tester does not have the corresponding troubleshooting program. To check the contents of the diagnostic trouble code, select DTCs in the Test Mode menu. Select DTCs again. The contents of the DTC will be displayed. At this state, if you press the asterisk mark key and help key together, more detailed information will be displayed. If the tester has a corresponding troubleshooting program, the letters of DTC flash at the bottom of the screen. If the diagnostic trouble code is detected and troubleshoot is displayed in the Test Mode menu instead of DTCs. With this situation, select the Troubleshoot mode in the Test Mode menu, and again select Troubleshoot. Then the diagnostic trouble code is displayed. In this case, press Enter key to display more detailed information. If you press Enter key once more, you can proceed with the troubleshooting in the tester. If the diagnostic trouble code is not stored in the system, you can input the code manually to carry out troubleshooting. Select the Troubleshoot mode in the Test Mode menu and select Troubleshoot to display a screen for manual inputting of the diagnostic trouble code. Type in the code that you want to troubleshoot. The contents of the DTC will be displayed. To display a brief description of the DTC, press the asterisk mark key and help key together. Here again, if you press Enter key once more, you can proceed with the troubleshooting of this diagnostic trouble code in the tester.